Yes, welcome back to another video. You watching Kinky C.U.P car unboxing place. Today I'm going to tell you how to install door screen. Before you're going to fix this, first clean the door with the scotch. You have to make sure that you're going to fix to the doors, not to the wood. This product only fix with the wood, not to the wall. If you're going to fix to the wall and you have to bring some other kind of a net to fix into the wall. So make sure that first you wipe it down with the some kind of a wet cloth, because no need to be any kind of a dust anything. Guys, before you're going to stick this, make sure you take a size and cut it down and paste this. Guys, after taking a size, gently remove this by pulling this back, then pull this and stick it. Gently pull this and stick this. Make sure that you stick once, because of you don't want to remove it again and again and lose the power of the glue. Gently remove this and paste. Remove this from back side and paste it down. After you fix this, next take a size of another right side and cut it down and paste it same how I did it for this. Again do it same here. Pull this down, stick it, pull this down, stick it. After sticking down here, make sure that you stick to the bottom and do it same here. Don't forget to take size. Make sure that you stick on the thing same also till to the bottom. And this is pretty strong, as I know it's very strong, and still if you're not comfortable with this, they'll give the pins for still more 100% safety. So you're going to hit to the this spring inside. So let me do it. So these are the pins. So up I'm going to do 1 2 3 4, and right side I'm going to put 4, and left side I'm going to put 4, and remaining this I'll keep extra. So according to your wish you can do, but I'm going to do up 4, this side 4, this side 4, because I don't want to destroy my dough. And one more thing guys, downside you'll be not getting anything, because of for walking in we want some space, so only you'll be getting for sticking right side, left side and up. You'll be not getting for the down, so don't worry about it. And guys, make sure that you do it slowly, because this nets are very slow, very smooth, and gently hit it. And one more thing you can do is just push this hard and it's going to stick, and you can do it gently. As you can see, I did it 1 2 3 and 4. Again 1 2 3 and 4. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Guys, this is front and the black color is back. Where you going to stick to this? So let me stick it. Stick it like this, guys. Make sure that nothing comes your way. Stick to the bottom still and on this side and pull this and stick it as well. Pull it and make sure that you stick it or else it will become a bit loose. Exactly. That's how to fix, guys. And if this magnet, when you do this, it's not fixing properly and you have to make this side loose. So how to make it? Don't pull this and stick it. Make sure that you remove from this one and gently push it. Like for example, do this. How much you have to leave it bit free. Watching video, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification on. Whenever I upload the new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Love you.